Good morning. Next topic we are going to discuss the measures of fluid mass and weight. The density of the fluid is defined. That is first thing, density. Density is the what is the mass per unit volume, that is called as a density. It is notated as a symbol as rho. The mass is m divided by volume is called as v. So the density is generally defined as mass by volume, that is the density. There are density will be changed in the each and individual fluids. Each fluids having the various of density. Generally we are measures from water. The water is a common density, that is called 1000 kg per meter cube. That is 1000 kilogram per meter cube. Okay, at the 4 degrees Celsius. Okay, that is different fluids can vary greatly in density. Liquids densities do not very much with the pressure and temperatures. Gas densities can be very quite, but with the pressure and temperatures. We generally taking the account of water in base density, that is 1000 kg per meter cube at 4 degrees Celsius. As well as we are commonly measure in from origin point is air in 4 degrees Celsius is 1.20 kg per meter cube. Okay. Next, specific volume is 1 divided by rho. That the formula is called as a specific volume. The next thing, the specific weight. What is meant by specific weight? The specific weight is the fluid is weight per unit volume, that is rho into g. That is called as a specific weight, that will be the next, specific gravity. These are all the some measures of the fluid mass. The specific gravity, specific density, these are all basic measures of the fluid. Next, very important topic is to viscosity. Viscosity is the measure of fluidity of the fluid, which is not captured simply by density or specific weight. In simple way, the viscosity defined in general thing. You just think about water and you just think about oil. You just flow the water into the floor, or flow the oil into the floor. Which liquid will flow very easily and fast? That is exactly water. That is the viscosity. Which fluids having low resistance to move, that is called as viscosity. We are using various types of liquids. In that, water having less density, so less viscosity, so it can be moved easily from one place to another place. Compared to oil, the viscosity of oil is much higher. So if suppose you flow the floor, means it is take time to flow from one place to another place. That is called as a viscosity. And based on viscosity, the fluid properties will be changed. Based on that viscosity, the fluid power systems will be changed. In hydraulic systems, the high viscosity, that means the low viscosity fluids are mostly not used in that applications. It will be used for medium viscosity fluids to achieve the process of mechanical applications. This is simple diagram shows the viscosity measures in capillary tube. Viscometer is one method to measuring the viscosity fluid. You just fill the what fluid we have to do measures that in the upper part. Then in middle there is having a small hole. In top to the lower vessel that will be filled. In that, in between, with how much of time it will be taken to fill that particular vessel, that will be calculated to the using viscosity finding, right? These are some graph to find the viscosity related. Then kinematic viscosity, another way to representing the viscosity. It is used for the flow of equations. The units are L square T or m meter square per second. or feet square by seconds. Then bulk modulus. Next properties are bulk modulus, compression of gases. I already told, only we are able to compress the gases only because they are only the compressible fluid. In water or another fluids, they are not able to compress. That is called as a incompressible fluid, right? And speed of sound.